What in the world?
Oh man.
It's amazing.
Wow, this is really smooth. Holy shit.
Damn right. Dude, this thing is down.
Okay, I'll circle around the block. You ever play Grand Theft Auto?
Yeah.
That's what we're doing right now.
So Gio, what are we doing today?
We're gonna give some of the guys a ride. Ever since we had this car, we've been getting a lot of requests, and today we're just gonna try to make it happen for anybody that is brave enough.
Well, the car is pretty nice, pretty classy, and I expect to have a smooth ride with a lot of power coming into it. So let's have some fun.
It's gonna be nice. I think the difference between a 90s car and a modern car and the shifts, it's gonna be really cool to see the difference.
I think it's gonna be very smooth, but feel really fast. That's about it.
Man, I really don't know what to think, to be honest. Guess we're gonna find out.
I think I'm gonna need to sell more parts and make more money.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be sold.
I don't know, but I'm excited. I'm expecting it to go fast. I look at this thing and it just looks slick. So I just want to see what it's like. It's going to be my first time in a car quite like this. So let's see how it goes, I guess.
I'm excited. I mean, I've ridden in some crappy cars before that went kind of fast, but nothing that's actually consistent. So I'm excited to see what it can do, and pretty pumped up to go.
What's going on, man? So I'm excited to be. No, I'm just kidding. You to hit the like button. No, I'm actually expecting it to be pretty fast and linear. When we built this car and we put everything together, we ran out of the dyno, and all the power, all the torque, everything was such a linear package. I've been in some pretty fast cars before, and I haven't actually been in this yet, so I'm pretty darn excited to see just what it does.
I'm excited, man. You know, my first time on Exotic per se. I don't know. I'm excited for this.
I always loved the R8 and how they look like. Never had ridden in a car before, so I think it should be a great experience to have. I had a Mustang GT back in the day that went 130 in the quarter mile, but this is actually a lot faster than my car, so it should be interesting.
I think the fastest car I've been in was probably a Subaru of some kind, and I'm looking forward to that moment where your head goes, you know? That's what I want to happen, but other than that, I don't know, just trying to have fun.
I mean, the car looks phenomenal. I mean, I really can't wait to see the power difference. I actually have a turbo RSX making about 400 horsepower, so like to go from a front wheel drive 400 horsepower to what is it, 850, 900 I think? All wheel drive. I mean, I'm pretty excited, so I can't wait.
I think compared to everything else I've ridden in, this is going to feel like a spaceship, so I'm pretty excited.
I think it's beautiful. It's going to be really quick, but it's going to be really smooth, so it's going to be kind of awkward. I'm used to drift cars and stuff like that, where they're kind of all over the place, so this should be fun.
I'm excited. I haven't been in that powerful of a car. I mean, maybe 650 horsepower Mustang that didn't even get traction, so I'm going to try not to piss my pants today.
That whole situation works.
Like, how much is it making that tire right now?
Like 860.
Yeah, yeah. Like compared to the 90s JDM cars that I'm used to, wildly different experience.
Completely. And you'll have a car that will feel substantially faster than this, but it's not. Or now.
Oh my god!
can be as fast as a computer, and like this car is a stick shift transmission basically, where it has a clutch, but normally a human has to control the clutch. Well, in this car, the computer controls the clutch, and that's why everything happens real fast. But if we had a traditional stick shift, then it would rely on me to push the clutch and do all this stuff. So I find it way more fun, but this is way more efficient, and it's just fast.
That's how you get fast.
Yes.
Fast.
World, this is my brother, Luan.
Hello, everybody. Wow, this is really smooth. Holy sh**. That's awesome. Holy cow. Dude, that's insane. It's like a freaking spaceship. Wow, it's really, really smooth and like quiet. I thought it'd be a lot louder.
It's like that was 20 to like.
We just hit.
Yeah.
Oh man, they weren't kidding. I mean, they mentioned like you might not realize how fast you're going, but that was an understatement.
It's so smooth and efficient that it's hard to really understand.
Wow.
Dude, this thing is down.
Pretty fun, right?
That's dope. Oh man.
You know what I like the most?
Yeah,
Brakes
this
just as hard
is
as
a
full.
track car. Holy shit.
Bro, that's so fun.
Never done this before. You sure? No, bro.
Let's do it. Dude, it's so smooth though. What in the world? That was so smooth. That was way smoother than I thought it was gonna be. Yo. Oh man. Ooh. Damn right. Oh, that's awesome. That's exactly what I thought it was gonna be, like to the T. That's awesome. Ooh, those brakes. And this is where I'm happy that you have that brake package.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. That is super linear. Oh my god. That's freaking awesome. It's all-wheel drive, right?
Yeah. It's all-wheel perfect.
Yeah. Just booking. Oh my god. It's freaking awesome.
So smooth.
impressed with the acceleration. Actually, the brakes to me are just incredible. Like, I'm not kidding. Look.
Holy shit.
The brakes are wild.
This car brakes.
This thing gets down, man. But it feels super refined. It doesn't feel like the world's ending. All you feel is like your eyes in the back of your skull, really. And I was able to hold my pee, and maybe on the 85 it would have made it come out.
Incredible? It's hard to explain, but I haven't really ridden something like that before. It's smooth and it's fast, and it makes me have a better understanding of what a really, really powerful car can be like. I felt like I was in a space shuttle. Like, that was a lot of fun. I would do it again, for sure.
It was awesome. It's way smoother than I thought it was. Like, I can see how I can get in trouble driving one of these. It was fast, and yeah, I enjoyed it. I can't wait to have one of these.
It was awesome, just to put it simple. The power band is super linear, which you don't see that with a lot of the cars that we're used to, you know, on a daily driver type thing. But what you can do with this kit and still make a lot more power in the future, it's crazy what you can do. I mean, I'm at a loss for words, but they're awesome cars. Super sick.
It was awesome. I've never been in a car like this, and for someone who knows nothing about cars, I can appreciate it for real.
It was a lot of fun. Definitely the fastest car I've been in now.
Definitely a great experience. It definitely takes you back at first because you feel G-force, but it's not as rowdy as a lot of people would think. It feels very planted to the ground, and you can definitely feel the speed increase as time goes by. So I would definitely do it again.
I was surprised how quickly it pulled through the gears, how much traction it had in first and second gear. I could feel myself being pushed back in the seat when I was accelerating.
Was in fact a spaceship. It was great. Maybe someday I'll have one of these.
So it was pretty cool. I got to give most of the staff a ride today, all those that wanted to, and of course there were some that really wanted to, but they work remote. So those guys, hopefully during the Christmas break, if they come down here, we'll do it again. I never say no to flooring this car. This car is super enjoyable, and everyone really, really had good things to say about it. Luckily, I get to enjoy it quite often. I mean, at this power level, it'll live forever this way, and it's just a ton of smiles.